Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am. Ma'am, your voice is not coming. Ma'am, you have muted your mic.
Good morning to everyone.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Morning, ma'am.
Today, let's begin with the next chapter that we would be having in our coming exams. Now, the next exams that we would be having, that is Leçon 9. All right, ready with your books, everybody?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good. Open up page number 86 and start reading. Everybody, please put your cameras on. Everyone, put your cameras on. Vanshika, Mohammad Uzair, and Fazil Khan. Please hurry
Ma'am?
up. Yes.
Ma'am, I'm not able to open my camera, ma'am, because ma'am, when I open my camera, ma'am, I leave meeting.
Why?
It's okay. Ma'am, now it's okay.
Yes.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Vanshika.
Ma'am, I don't have book.
You don't have your book. Where is your book, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Where is your book?
Ma'am, we have tried to bought. Ma'am, we have tried to bought it, but in the store we have gone 3 times and 3 times it is not there.
Okay. So we have Fazil Khan, Mohammad Uzair Khan. Will you please put your camera on? And Manhir Kaur. Everybody.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, can you share the screen, ma'am, of images of book chapter?
I'll send you the PDF after the class, or you want it right now?
Okay, ma'am. No, ma'am, I'll read after the class.
All right. So, children, what I'm doing is I'm going to read out the chapter before you first. You have to write down the pronunciation of each and every line. And Vanchika, even you are going to do that. Okay, write down the pronunciation of everything. And then you will get a turn to read. All right, please carefully listen to each and every word that I pronounce in French. Because you people, while speaking and reading, make a lot of mistakes. Okay, starting lesson number 9, that is called Leçon 9. Start writing from here.
Ma'am, the vacation.
Yes, les vacances.
Ma'am, the vacation.
Page number 86. Everybody start writing. Leçon 9, les vacances. What is les vacances? The vacations. Les vacances. Written? Aujourd'hui, c'est le dernier jour de l'école. Aujourd'hui. Aujourd'hui is today. C'est le dernier jour. C'est le dernier. What is c'est le dernier? It is the last. Jour. Jour is day. C'est le dernier jour de l'école. De l'école of school.
My full sentence is today is the last day of school.
Yes, that's the last sentence. C'est le
Okay.
dernier jour de l'école. Say that is the full sentence. Then demain. Demain is what? Tomorrow. Demain, les vacances d'été commencent. Demain, les vacances d'été. What is d'été? Of summer. Commence. Commence starts. Tomorrow the vacations of, or you can say tomorrow the summer vacation begins. Today is the last day of the school. Tomorrow the summer vacations begin. Then the next line, les élèves sont contents. Les élèves sont contents. The students are happy. Written, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Fazil, have you written? Fazil, you're not replying. Have you
No,
written?
ma'am, I'm writing. Ma'am,
Yes. You're what? Let me know when you're done. Anything that you have missed in between? All right, the next one. Les élèves sont contents. The students are happy. Ils ont 2 mois de vacances. Ils ont, that is, they have 2 months of vacations. Ils ont 2 mois de vacances. Written, Mohammad Uzair and Adya Gupta.
Yes, ma'am, I have written.
What are you writing? Are you writing the translation or you are writing the pronunciation?
ma'am,
Ma'am, translation.
Better than what about the pronunciation? Can you read out yourself correctly without writing the
Ma'am?
pronunciation? Yes.
ma'am, when I open my camera, ma'am, again I
Okay.
leave the meeting.
All right. Now don't open. Yes. Mohammad Uzair, can you read the second line? Read out the second line.
Demain les vacances et commencent.
So what is the point? Why am I reading out so slowly? Why am I telling you the pronunciation? This is because you read out correctly. Vanshika, what are you writing? Are you writing the pronunciation or the translation?
Ma'am, I'm writing the translation.
Beta, you have to write the pronunciation. I told you in the beginning, I am going to read out and you will write the pronunciation so that you read out correctly. Now, please start from the beginning. What is the name of the chapter? Tell me, what is the name of the chapter,
The little
Vanshika?
seeds.
Ma'am, ma'am, not written in French.
Now write it. The name of the chapter is Les Vacances. Les Vacances. Okay? Now, how will you write it? Whether you want to write it in Hindi or you want to write it in English, Les Vacances, like that. Look into the chat box so that when you read out like this only. Because we people are habitual of reading English, right? We can't pronounce French language correctly. That is why we are told, I always tell students, and this is how I have learned. You always write the pronunciation in whatever way you are comfortable in. Even if you want to write it in Hindi, you can write it. The first line, aujourd'hui, c'est le. Aujourd'hui, c'est le dernier jour. C'est le dernier jour de l'école. De l'école. Aujourd'hui, c'est le dernier jour de l'école. Everybody try to speak this line. Unmute yourself and speak out the first line.
Aujourd'hui, le dernier jour de l'école.
Aujourd'hui, c'est le dernier jour de l'école. Mohammad Uzair, it's your turn, beta. Mohammad Uzair.
Aujourd'hui, learn the
C'est le.
les dernier.
C'est le. Beta, c'est le dernier.
See the learner.
C'est le dernier.
C'est la dernière
Yes.
jour de l'école.
Jour de l'école. Very nice. What is the name of the chapter, Uzair?
Les vacances.
Les
Les
vacances.
vacances.
Les vacances. Very good.
Okay.
Adya Gupta. Are you listening to me? Adya Gupta. All right. And then Fazil Khan.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. What is the first line? Read out the first line.
Aujourd'hui est le dernier jour de l'école.
Fazil, this is what you have written.
No, ma'am. Ma'am, but
You-
I've written the sentence of this book.
Beta, you have not written the correct pronunciation. Aujourd'hui, c'est le dernier. Write it down. C'est le dernier jour de l'école.
Ma'am, please repeat again.
Aujourd'hui,
Written, ma'am.
aujourd'hui, c'est le dernier jour de
École.
l'école.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, written. Call.
Will it help you out what I have typed in the chat box? Aujourd'hui,
Yes, ma'am.
c'est le dernier jour de l'école. Then the next line, dama. The next word is dama.
Dama.
Dama. Les vacances. Les vacances d'été. D'été commence. Commence. Demain, les vacances d'été commencent.
Ma'am, I have written.
Written? Now read out this line. Uzair,
Ma'am, I
read
also-
out.
Demain les vacances d'été commencent.
Okay, once again.
Demain les vacances d'été commencent.
Very nice. Very close to it. Yes, Vanshika.
Demain, les vacances d'été commencent.
D'été commence. Now see, if you have written what I have written in the chat box, what you can do is the word that has to be the one like dama. Dama is what? One word. You can put this thing into bracket so that you pronounce it together. Okay? Dama. Then les vacances are two different words. Let them be like this. Dete. Now dete is again one word. Put it in a bracket. Commence is one word. Put it in a bracket. Okay, Uzair?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Now that will be very easy for you to read out. Okay, next line. Les
Ma'am,
élèves.
I have written.
Yes,
Ma'am, I
beta.
have written in my language. Ma'am, is that a problem?
No, but if you don't put it in a bracket, you will not come to know while reading that it is whether you are reading one word or you are reading two separate words. See,
Ma'am,
if
I
you
have taken the brackets.
yes,
Ma'am, I have take the words in the brackets.
very nice, very good. Now, the next one. Les élèves, les élèves, les élèves sont contents. Les élèves.
Les élèves sont contents.
Les élèves sont contents. Les élèves sont contents. Written?
Ma'am, conto is a one word.
Content is one word, yes. Sont
Okay.
before it is a different word. Now les élèves has to be pronounced together. Les élèves. Okay?
Ma'am,
Les élèves
ma'am,
sont contents. Yes.
ma'am, conto, ma'am, is a one word, and ma'am, laser is a, ma'am, we have to pronounce together.
Yes. Les élèves you have to pronounce together. Les élèves. Then the second word sont and the third word contents. Les élèves sont contents. Everybody speak out.
Les
élèves sont contents.
Very nice.
Les élèves sont contents.
Very good.
Les
Very nice.
élèves sont contents.
Yes, perfect. Now this is coming really good. Then the next line. Ils ont 2 mois de vacances. Ils ont 2 mois de vacances. Ils ont 2 mois de vacances.
Ils ont
Ils
deux
ont-
mois de vacances.
Ils
Ils
ont
ont 2 mois de vacances.
de vacances.
The mois de vacances.
Very good. Very
Ils
nice.
ont de mois de vacances.
Now, children, let me tell you one difference. See, in the line above, there was a word sont, S-O-N-T, right?
Yes, ma'am.
What is sont? Sont comes for are. They are. Like if we want to speak, they are. What do we write? Ils sont. Are you seeing in the chat box? And if I want to say they have, what do we speak? We speak ils ont. So what is the difference? They are so closely pronounced that often you and me, the listener, do not come to know the difference between the two. But the correct difference that comes is through the pronunciation. Now, if the first two words, if I'm going to pronounce, I will pronounce it as ils sont. Ils sont. And the second two words are ils ont. The sound of s and z is the difference. Okay? Everybody try it out.
Ils ont.
No.
Ils sont.
Ils sont. The first one is ils sont. Ils sont means they are.
Ils sont. Ils ont.
Ils ont. Very good. Ils sont means they are. Ils ont means they have. Okay? Clear to everyone? Fazil, can you please pronounce the two and
Ma'am.
Fazil, can you please pronounce the two?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you please pronounce both of them and let us know how they are pronounced?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Ils ont. Ils sont. Ils ont.
No. Ils sont.
Okay, ma'am.
Speak it
Ils
out.
ont.
No. Ils sont
Ils sont.
and ils ont.
Ils ont.
Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Now write in a bracket after both of them. After the first one, write sa sound. Sa, Hindi wala sa likh do. Okay? And in the second one, write a Z, Z sound. Ils sont, ils ont. And you do not pronounce the T in the end. It's not ils sont. Ils sont is wrong. It's ils sont and ils ont.
Ils sont, ils ont.
Very nice, Uzair. Perfect.
Ils sont. Ils ont.
Very good. When we talk about this sentence, ils ont 2 mois de vacances. Clear? Ils ont. They have 2 months of vacations. Manuel va à la plage. Manuel va à la plage pour une semaine.
Ma'am, can you repeat the sentence?
Oh, okay, just a minute. Okay, look up into the chat box. Manuel va à la plage. Manuel va à la plage pour une semaine. Semaine. Written, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you read it out?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Manuel wa ala plays
Splash. Beta, it's splash.
large pool some men.
Very good.
Now I can.
Manuel va a la plage pour une semaine.
Very good. Very nice.
Now I can repeat. Manuel va a la place pour une semaine.
Semaine. Yes. Manuel va à la plage pour une semaine. Then the next line. What does this line mean? Manuel goes to the beach for 1 week. For 1 week. Semaine is what? Week. Il y a 7 jours dans une semaine. Okay?
Ma'am, please speak the translation again.
I didn't speak the... Okay, of this line. Manuel goes to the beach for 1 week. Right. Now, the second... okay, what was I saying? What does this line mean? Manuel goes to the beach for 1 week. Now, in French, we've got places. Every place has got a gender. Okay? So, plage. Plage is a place which is considered a feminine place. It's a feminine noun. That is why we put a la before it. If we want to say Manuel goes to the beach, we put a la. A la comes before feminine places, before feminine nouns. Suppose if we would have spoken about a place that is masculine gender. Can you give me an example of a masculine place? Cinema. Okay, cinema is, yes? Vanchika, you muted.
Theater.
Theater, cinema, these are what? These are masculine places. So before them, we put O, that is AU. Manuel va o cinema. Okay? Now, we talk here, Manuel goes to the beach. Manuel va à la plage pour une semaine. Then the next line. Isabelle et sa famille. Isabelle et sa famille. Isabelle and her family. Isabelle et sa famille. Famille. Isabelle et sa famille vont à la campagne.
Ma'am, what is the last word after one? Ala.
Isabelle et sa famille vont à la campagne. Campagne.
Pane.
It's campagne. G is silent there. Isabelle et sa famille vont à la campagne. Et Anish va on end. Now what is end? Isabelle et sa famille vont à la campagne. Campagne. Et Anish va on end. Written?
Yes, ma'am.
And in the end, it's bon vacances.
Yes.
Bon vacances. Bon vacances.
Isabelle et sa famille vont à la campagne et Anish va on and bon vacances.
Yes. Et Anish va on and bon vacances. Now I want one of you to read out the whole chapter. Not one of you, all of you, in fact. Let's see if you can. Who will be the first one to read out? Yes, Vanshika.
Aujourd'hui, c'est la dernier jour de l'école. Demain, les vacances d'été commencent. Les élèves sont contents.
Very
Ils ont
nice.
deux mois de vacances. Manuel va à la plage pour une semaine.
Very good.
Isabelle et sa famille vont à la campagne
Campagne
campagne et Anish va
and.
and bon vacances.
Very nice, Vanshika. Even without the book, you read it so well. Very good. Uzair
Thank you,
Khan,
ma'am.
will you read next or Fazil will read? Who is going to read?
Ma'am, I will.
Very nice.
Ma'am, I-
Go on. Okay,
Ma'am,
now
I-
let beta let Uzair read.
Oh, jour dui la dernière.
Say la
jour
dernière.
la dernière jour de l'école. Dama les vacances d'été commencent. Les élèves sont contents. Ils ont des mois de vacances. Manuel va à la plage pour une semaine.
Pour une semaine.
Pour une semaine, Isabelle et sa famille vont à la campagne et Anish va on and bonnes vacances.
Bon vacances.
Bonnes vacances.
Very nice. Okay. Then next, Fazil.
Ma'am, I-
Hmm.
ma'am, I-
Yes, Fazil. It's your name
Aujourd'hui,
only.
yes, ma'am. Aujourd'hui est le dernier jour de l'école. Demain, les vacances commencent. Les élèves sont contents. Ils ont deux mois de vacances. Manuel va à la plage pour une semaine. Isabelle et sa famille vont à la plage et Anish va in the bonnes vacances.
Et Anish va on and bon vacances. Fazil, have you not seen the pronunciation from the chat box?
Ma'am, I've seen, but
Yes? Yes, Vanshika, what do you want to say?
Ma'am, what is the translation of the sixth one? Sixth line.
Yes?
Ma'am, what is the translation of sixth line? Sixth one.
Isabel Elsa Fami. Beta, are you talking about Isabel wala line?
Yes, ma'am.
Isabel e sa famille vont à la campagne et Anish va en Inde.
Translation.
Okay, translation. Isabel and her family go to the countryside. Campagne is what? Campagne is the countryside.
Countryside.
And Anish goes to India. And Anish goes to India.
Ma'am, family goes to Isabel and her family goes to
The countryside. Campane is the countryside.
countryside.
And Anish goes to India.
And Anish goes to India. Ma'am, done.
Okay, so beta, let's end the class here. It's 10:30. All right, I'm ending the class
Okay.
here. We've done the translation. Now the next class, we are going to continue with the exercises.
Okay,
Thank you for the class.
Bye to all of
ma'am.
you.
Bye, ma'am.
ma'am.